What's up, everybody? It's me, the home cook hero, back with a new video, y'all. So this is the second part of my what I ate for lunch series. Y'all know DeBlasio got us back in the office, y'all. But y'all, today I am making this zucchini and summer squash with basil and these Parmesan breadcrumbs, y'all. It is so good. So y'all, I'm not gonna overtalk it, and I am just gonna get right into the recipe, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I'm starting with about 5 zucchini and summer squash, and then I'm just chopping off the ends, and I am cutting them at an angle in about 1/4 inch thick pieces, just because you want it to withstand that heat. We're going to put these in the oven, so you don't want it to kind of like fall all apart. So yeah, I'm just cutting them all up and then putting them in my bowl, and then after that, I'm just going in with the seasonings. So to start off with it, I am adding in some olive oil for a little bit of slip, I guess you might want to call it. I'm going in with some black pepper. I didn't use fresh crack this time, but it doesn't really matter. I'm going in with some crushed red peppers, some paprika. Paprika is really for color in this dish. And then I'm also going in with some salt, and I put a little bit more olive oil on it just because, why not, like I always say. And I also went in with some parm and some heavy cream. Y'all check the description box below. It'll have all the measurements, the ingredient list, and all of that kind of stuff, y'all. Then after that, I just mixed everything all together to make sure it was all combined. Then I added in the last little secret that I love in this dish, which is basil. And that really elevates this dish so much, y'all. You will definitely taste that basil. You definitely smell it. Y'all, this dish is really good. And I actually get it from this like restaurant here in New York called Dig In. And they added lemon to it. I didn't add lemon this time, but lemon definitely works well on this as well. So y'all, I just went in with a little bit more seasonings, a little bit more pepper, a little bit more parm, and just mix it all together. You saw I added in some heavy cream. The heavy cream really brings this all together, so don't skimp on that step. You can use milk, or you can use 2% milk, whatever. I don't know why you want to use 2% milk, but you know, if that's what you want to do, go ahead. So yeah, y'all, now on to the Parmesan breadcrumbs. So y'all, I just started with some breadcrumbs. I added in a lot of fresh grated parm, and then I'm just seasoning it with basically the same seasonings as from the zucchini, some garlic powder, pepper, paprika. You can sprinkle a little crushed red pepper. I put a little bit of salt in there as well, just to make sure you can really taste these breadcrumbs, because you really want to. And so yeah, I'm skipping out on the last step of the breadcrumbs real quick, and I'm just showing you all, you know, I'm just putting it in my oven safe baking dish, and yeah, you know, just spreading it all around, making sure it's all nice and good. Alright, now to these breadcrumbs again. I am going in with some melted butter, and then you really just want to stir it all up in there together to make sure the butter is evenly distributed, and it's going to look kind of like, I don't know what that will look like. Sawdust, maybe. It really does look like sawdust, right? So yeah, then after that, I'm just sprinkling it all over top of the zucchini. I like a lot of the breadcrumbs on mine. You definitely don't have to use as much breadcrumbs, it's fine. Now y'all, I took it out of the oven, and y'all, this stuff is so good. Look at what it looks like. Look at this. Like, who would have thought? Who would have thought the zucchini and squash and a little bit of breadcrumbs, and you have this nice, presentable, very tasty dish. And again, like I said in my last video, y'all, everybody in the office was asking me what I was eating. That basil really permeated the office, y'all, and this dish is one to die for. You can even serve this over some rice, y'all, which I actually did. So yeah, definitely check out my first video in my what I eat for lunch series, where I served this with some harissa spice chicken thighs, and y'all, that was good as well. Alright y'all, so that's all I have for this video today. If you liked it, you can leave me a comment down below. You can share this video if you would like to, and you can even subscribe to the channel, and you'll be notified whenever I drop new videos like this, y'all. So y'all, with that said, here's a little behind the scenes, little look, and I will see y'all in the next video. Later.